Hello, everybody. Yamini. Yankamasem the second. Half man, half bosom. Nana Yankamasem. Kwame Asare Obansamadu Katawiro Siodumja, aka Nana Bentusa, aka Nana Yankamasem. Obia, what to say? Me train person can't see me. Caroline, her design, they won't catch it. If you come up, James. See, I board you, ye, me train, but some can't send me short. When was that? When was that? I said, my yabu trek a cry. One canoe cray. One canoe cray. I said, when was a munim. So, one case of munim be our better. I did be asking, when they are more 27, 26. Oh, most of them have been a week of you. But some can't send me to long time no hear from you, mate. Ahaji, me wo 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Me when you this month. I want to talk some matter and go house. At the office, child tire. You see, my eyes all make red. I want to talk something and go. Well, everybody did. Come make I tell you something. Hey, Yao, Jima, what's up, bro? Tell one can't check. Yeah, for office, near Indian come well, everybody there, I want to tell you people something, then I will go sleep. Well, everybody there, make everybody come back and tell you that thing I want to talk now. You people notice it right now, like I slow down small. Everybody they see the trend, it's a slow down small. Like it be like a slow down small, be like that. Yeah, as I reduce it, Jana Kakra. You understand? You see this whole Ghana way we did. The whole Ghana way they their way, they call them country way, they call them Ghana. The people with me, they go fit talk to me. Like me, yeah, like they go fit talk to me. Maybe the people they come my inbox, where they be my Facebook friends. That one they do it because we did here, where you people they support me for a long time. When you talk, oh, Kwame, this one there, they listen that one. But you people, be politicians. I talk about the people where they say they be politicians, where be them they run this country. The people they go fit talk to me, they reach 5. No, they reach 5. No, they reach 5. 5. They reach 5 people. But everybody, when you go home, tell them people where mobile Facebook number say. I'm gonna minna. Hey, who and I will show live video na minna me yewe, minna me PP na minna me kwa MPP. I say, I'm can't say me chiro. Who in your biya? But I can't say me chiro ma woti ase. And I minna me MPP ni na minna me be kasa ma MPP. Sa nkwa siafo na mobile Facebook number ya. Muna mo say na say my slow. Me slow say I'm improve. Mun ba dey my slow no. Asa manya but because me catch them obi antie bi ade antie asel for 1 week 2 weeks ni my slow amamo ne say me krom ha nipa ba ko otu me kasa che me ma me ti asem na o kan ye honorable candidate Japan honorable kan on ma translate say Kwame nya botre. We don't have to fight to disagree. We don't have to fight to talk about issues. Everybody has the right to talk about everything. So you have the right to talk about everything, but we don't have to fight. And I think that he's right. Yeah. Me come against but me the who Ghana ha no feel so me no problem no ba ko fro bi so nka bi so and catch on na me ne lunch on my down for like me no call ba me boss me bi. And you ko catch na bi of from so kwa me say and enu na meti o wo de fa ba bia nya adwuma me ma catch them anya adwuma. What you say? Enti no mo sa ankrofo no na mobile Facebook be say mo pen for no mo kosu a kire no aboken no mo pen for no mo kosu a kire no aboken say won no boy na nkasa no nya abotre enti na me slow down amamu no mo pen for mo kosu a kire no aboken no e no metie no enti na me slow down amamu no enti mobile Facebook no be ye tu no na mo ya mo be wo Facebook na ya na ye me time mo hu kra ye me time enti no wo Kofi Ofosu wo ti na ma so live video yi wo Kofi Ofosu wo ti na ma so live video no So would you who dis wo ye bema wo Ghana how na wo ye MPP abanya ma opposition to your government appointee a won't na ma source our live video we me there the next time I me say Facebook this ankwasi asem no won adia me ye wo no wo be nu ho say wo ba Ghana ha the next time I me say wa so live video say wa ko tran Facebook say wo ko this ankwasi asem no. The next time I mean say what got na Facebook say wo this ankwasi asem na wo Kofi Ofosu wo ne number 1 person wo ma bo wa to ho de da wo Kofi Ofosu ma bo wa to ho wo ti Ghana data center ho no Akufo use wo position na Akufo ado di ama no fa ye adwuma na obe wo data center ho no what you say me enye on abo ken anka me bie no obe kan asema chima meti o but me decide say meti asem na o kan bibi nko yi a ebe kan hu hia say ebe ko ntokwa ne sa nyoma na hu hia ba wo Kofi Ofosu wonti na ma so live video no me kan sama kire wo Kofi Ofosu ade a me so wo course na wo yes ade na wo ye won so started 2017 ton ya na me mu awo na me hwe wo din so wo course yes ade na me de na na hesi ogire no wo de na be chen wo so wo ye government wo Kofi Ofosu Jimmy Forte say wo de abanya ba power say ama wo position wo Kofi Ofosu wonti na ma so live video no me pesa me cheza me obi entumi nya me hwe o ya me makwa na emanesi and I may catch them say mo be traffic mo be to me because of Honorable Kennedy appoint na my head, you know. And I have decided to listen to him. I have so much respect for him. As more be catch him no metie bibi nkoyi o man ni mo ye nyina be kan because me Honorable Kennedy bibi nkoyi o kan say ade we nkoyi nti bibi nkoyi e be kan wo but most ankrofo na be traffic Facebook na be madwen say mo na MPP ya mo di anti me didi atam no na mo be trans na mo be yes ani o man no me catch the plane wo Kofi Ofosu me can si wenim plane say me kan wo next thing na se wonnim na musuo ball what I say when also your government appointee but me I'm daring you me I'm daring you Kofi Ofosu sa de na ya wo church Facebook no se wonnim na musuo ball na me san hu se watro me din na watro me din po Facebook a MPP for ba be hwehwa wa catch say Kofi adenti na nipa ne na kasama na koda na we ko nyane no Kofi Ofosu. Anything that happens next is you, Kofi Ofosu. You have yourself to blame. What you say? And I'm making sure somebody be fro baby, but be fro baby. What you say? Some penny for the kasana, some mon kwarana mo ase, some mon tina mo be kwa kwatena Facebook na mo kwa jimia. Me the be fro, me the be foul baby. Mama warning. Man ka so obi o, be se Kofi Ofosu. Oh, you see your Ghana data centers. Oh, you want me who Kofi Ofosu? Me, I no see you, self. But I'm daring you, sir. So, who did this? What by Bemuna? So, we are powerful now. We are one. Me, man, will last warning. Penny from Befro to for Kofi. Ya nini pana kasa. Watia CSA and who he has ever contokwa. I didn't think that what yes, I give women in Panegrabium. One from my due position influence them. Because who Kofi Ofosu want to me man and I do 20 votes. Who nim baby? Who angasa kwa stand election? Who win you? Who stand election? Kwa who lose you? Who stand election? Who angasa who stand election? Who want to me man and I do vote? It's in another no or no. So be win election. Who won't come? He doesn't care about you. Won't come. Who Kofi Ofosu won't come and I do be win election. Me, I'm telling you. It's no so we are sad. Any be one. Now your last warning. We are sad any biuma. Sad now, you know, to me conquer for inbox. We go for try the one in inbox to inbox now, Jimmy, no, and then last warning. Me, my dog. Once so long as Honorable Ken has said something to me, he said, let's build a country. No need to fight. I understand. He's right. No need to fight. We're going to build a country. But if you think that when I wear MPP now, when I wear guy now, who could feel for so when I wear guy now. Maybe I salam down will be a MPP na dem better na ho. Una data center MPP for na do kwata na maybe be metie and MPP for na dem better na ha. And if you try, MPP people will blame you. They will blame you for misbehaving. What I say? If you try, MPP people will blame you for misbehaving. And me yo ne be chain na hesi ojiri dia. Wo na hesi. Me hu se na nsen ya wo so ko traffic na wo ko jimi. Wo na mpesa me bow tape na wusu no. Ni ana wusu na mpesa me bo nkrofo bebre na me kasa Jennifer Queen num na frame na me kasa na me forget wo me hu se wa start wo ji me hu se na sen me ti ba bi o hwɛ mam ka se me kyerɛ mo me kwa me plus on me de me person for come ho asɛm ma me ya na e bɔ me dam na ma bibi ye me feel papa like bon so nkofo akoye video na we koye se na we ye video na the whole Facebook obi edima me I am a professional and an experienced attention seeker. Me I want your attention. Who hear YouTube video what happens? So who hear YouTube video as who hear video na ye wo de na e de bibia hyem. Who hear video na ye de na e de advert hyem. Me I don't have a TV station, I don't have a radio station, and so I need your attention to be able to send my message to you. Into me yes na the message name na me ton TPP no. But I have decided that I'm not going to attack MPP. I'm going to deal with individuals. I'm going to deal with issues in the party. I'm not going to attack the whole party because the party has plenty of people who are my friends. But if you can't be awesome and be a baby, na ye kan ejapa asam mu de mu bebre ho a mo agimi like ye tumi kan MPP asam say ye kan ejapa de na obi aba na ne yere na ne ba na mutumi na me nko na mo ne akwara 2 years kontokwa na ne ba nkwa siafo mutumi na me nko me na mo kun me mu nyina kontokwa 3 years na mo ne 2 years me ba 2 years me ne ba 4 years ne ba bia ye say na we ye say Kofi Ofosu me man warning. I got 3 months or so near Tuaba. I'm not attacking the whole MPP. MPP is a great party with so many people who are my friends and so many intelligent people. Most of them are my friends. And so I'm not attacking the party. I'm dealing with individuals in the party. If we are giving a yen bebo mine Ghana first, you can Sadia we and yet. Yes. And no, and when the Nipa or more fee party, when Makasa met me Ghana had dear Massa. Ghana ha. When me was some catch on our weekend. Or no, catch such a because he has shown me respect, he has shown me love. When you know, yes, I'm on your man. Honorable Ken pair. Look at Adakabreko an interview. I say, I'll not insult A+. I'll not talk about A+. Or no Papa Penny when you're in the CKW. He has shown me respect, and I also show him respect. Into the moment, we can be cool. We can be very cool. We do not need to fight to talk about corruption or whatever it is. The other name of MPP is not corruption. MPP need corruption. So when we are talking about corruption, the whole part, let's deal with the issue. And I'm very ready to join everybody. You know, I build your mind. So I'm ready. I am cool. I'm not fighting with anybody. I'm building my TPP. I'm very easy. But anybody who wants a fight, I've demonstrated to you for 3 years that if you want a fight, what you bring is what you take. You receive it. So everybody must be very, very careful. When notice for some time, na mo notice ko am plan the way na me kono. Munya aseda mo fama on aboken. Ye adwuma ni nyina ma mo. So now Japa ba na say Japa deal. Japa say ye nyina be ka. Baby ye no ye be ka. President Abanko si airport ya FFF ye nka say airport na efe. Ene ko ade corona the way o ma chichem ni ade test ni ade. It's very good. The government has done very well. Kohwe airport the way ayaye no. Ye can say o waya ade onya ade. Inti se bibi koye o baby ni we are dealing with that issue. We are not fighting with the whole party. It doesn't even make sense to fight with the whole party. Ni adonye MPP ni, onye minua. Onye MPP ni, onye minua. So many people MPP no me madam for me minua. So how can we fight with the whole party? No Collins no party headquarters onye minua. On my officer. And you know, all of us will talk about issues that are wrong. We all talk about building a country. We all talk about our future. We will talk about our tax money, but we don't need to fight. And I agree. And Honorable Ken was very right. Listen, you don't need to fight with the whole party. What is right is right. What is wrong. And I agree, and I respect that. And I have so much respect for him, and I've listened to him. So, Kofi Ofosu, let sleeping dogs lie. Let sleeping dogs lie. If you think that, oh, but Facebook, hey, me no nya some Facebook am sure bonti amebo. Yeah, me this agono. We shame na we say, hey, come there. Hey, why some frama? Why fiansa aba no? Me you Kofi Ofosu, I want tell you say, who are bemu. you are bem we are government appointee am CEO but who me so gwan I mean to me am hwe o we are now board am I see those things where you dey right o but I know the man you kwasia we call 2016 time I in 2016 year campaign we did professional for change you people are using it to make money where people not making money or you people not getting paid from all of that. My mom last one and I may catch me corner book and one of my catcher and say, on a book and room, we need to feel for Sunan Casa. We are mistaken, I make president, on my catcher president said, Your Excellency, Sabo, no, could feel for Sunan, when Casa, we are so pounding free baby Otano. Because who could feel for you are one of the biggest problems in this country. Minimum Doma opposition. I am warning you. You are the government appointee and you think that you are powerful. Me, I am the ordinary man sitting in my office. And me, I am warning you. So we need. So we nim who could feel was nim na one jai sa jimi na we kiss am be no we no and once me be okay na the problem be beba o am wo me won no and as am won no ha no ante a wo me metimi aba wo office on ma be won no if me ha ba me ho de e ba ho en wo mo pesa me kire mo ade bi wo krom as me kwa me plus me ma tena ha 3 years pesa me kire mo ade bi wo krom a mo ya lucky say papa no ne makasa metie papa no na wunye din nwen wo ho na jimie na wode ne nam Facebook bebi a we mo adwuma say yeti wo no ye wo Facebook mi nsuro bia wo wo ja say mi nsuro bia wo wo me won ne wo I am warning you see you kan na wodi wo sa dan ne mo no wo shoe say nkwantre why wo shoe say kwantre we shoe na ya minim say wa na wo to so mo ye man wo say wunya wo fom wo shoe say kwantre am warning you na wo last warning say nyame ye wadom na wunya akukuduro na say obi entufo na say wo sore na wa ma sa peace na opani na ye na ba no ye nyina ye nkone sa na say wo sore na say misan hu say wo be jimi wo Facebook so say wo jimi na wo de Ghana data center no obi an kantre no wo shoe say wheelbarrow say wunnim na me chi wo sa Facebook obi ma wo be hu ade am be wo who be who could feel for who be who chimney for who shoe say truck